Mythbuster lesson number 7. Here's the myth. This is just a part of aging. But the truth is, hormone imbalance is not normal aging, and it's absolutely fixable. So many women think feeling tired, anxious, foggy, irritable, or heavy is just getting older. It's not aging, it's imbalance. Aging doesn't cause estrogen dominance. It doesn't cause low progesterone. It doesn't cause high cortisol or insulin resistance, or it doesn't cause sleep disruption. Imbalance does. Your body is designed to age gracefully with clarity, stable mood, and steady energy. What feels like aging is actually chronic stress, unstable estrogen, dropping progesterone, disrupted cortisol rhythms. These are the patterns you can measure and improve. Women who balance their hormones don't just feel better, they feel like themselves again. Your symptoms aren't just age. Your saliva kit inside the learner level will show you exactly what's out of balance so you can reverse it.